Now that we're all asked to wash our hands, it is sometimes easy to forget those who do not have access to running water. This video is one example of how you can create your own water dispenser at home using old plastic bottles.
Make an incision in your first bottle. This bottle will be where the refill bottle will stand upon. Take your second bottle, remove the lid, and cut the bottom edge off completely. Once the bottle neck is cut off, your bottle should look like this. Place the bottle neck into the first bottle's incision until it is stiff. Now you can place water into this. Make sure that the bottom bottle is completely full.
The water dispenser can be used indoors or outdoors and is easy to place where you want to wash your hands. Open the cap to wet your hands and close before you apply soap. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds using the recommended method. Open the cap and rinse your hands before closing the cap again. Please share this video to help us get the information to as many people as possible. And remember to keep washing your hands.